Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to be talking about something that's very trending on my Facebook group, which is other people stealing your Etsy photos. So I'm going to show you this one hack using Google image search where you could put in any photo that you think that someone maybe stole from your store, and you could do a massive search on Google to see if anyone else is using it. So if you want to learn this hack, make sure that you watch all the way till the end. Now, if this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel and you want to learn how to grow an impactful Etsy business, don't forget to subscribe today. Don't forget to show me some love by liking this video and leaving a comment below. So let's go ahead and dive in. So this is a quick hack. It won't take you too long. If you ever feel like, okay, I think someone stole this particular photo of mine, or someone else said, hey, one of your listings, I saw it on Pinterest, or I saw it on, let's say, Amazon, but they never send you a link to it. This is the quickest way that you could find it, because essentially if you try to find it yourself, by going through Pinterest or going through, it's too many pictures, too many photos to kind of go over. So this is going to be the quickest way for you to find if someone stole your image, and therefore you could go ahead and report it. So this is the first thing you would do is you will grab the photo that you're doing a particular search for. So I'm going to do one from my actual store. I'm going to use this one here, the Etsy shop critique. All I'm doing is dragging and putting it on my desktop. So this is my desktop here, and here it is. And then the second thing you would do is you would go to Google and you would type in Google image search. Is right here. I use it all the time. From here, you would click on Google Images and you would click on the camera. You could put the URL. So I could put my URL of my actual Etsy store, or you could upload the image. It doesn't matter. It works either way. So I'm going to upload the image, and I'm going to go ahead and open it. And from here, it's going to start looking for that image on Google search results. So here we go. So you could look here on images, or you could look here. So all of these are mine because it ends with Nancy Marketing Tools. So these are good, actually. This is from my actual store. So that's pretty good. And then you always go to the second page of Google and kind of see. So all of them are matching my store. No one is stealing currently that photo. Then what you would do is you would search on visually similar images. And this is going to pull up every single image that's kind of similar, maybe similar colors or font. So as I could see here, no one else is using my photo with the exception of this one here, but I think that one is mine. Yep, this one is mine, Etsy Shop Critique, and it has my name here, Nancy Marketing Tools, and it links, this is my meta description here, and it links to my actual store. So that's good. So this is how you do it, and you could do this with any image, whether it's personal images or whether you have an Etsy store, maybe a banner or anything that you feel like someone else is using. Let's do an example from an actual different store besides mine. Let's look up dog bandana. I was looking for this earlier today. So let's go to this one, the first one. So this one is a bandana for a dog. I'm going to take the picture, drop it in my desktop, and we're going to do the same thing. We're going to go back and do research. So I'm going to upload it, and I'm going to look for that image. I have to clean my desktop. I've been doing too much. Here we go. I'm going to go ahead and upload it and see what Google comes up with. So this is what Google comes up with. Let's see what this is here. If it's just similar items or an actual store that has a picture. Let's see what this is. I'm sorry if my internet's a little slow. So these are similar items, and that happens when you do a search, especially when it has like this type of design, because it's very common. As you can see, there's so many other people with the same plate design, so just keep that in mind. So let's look at links down here. So these are all from Etsy. So dog bandana personalized. So this is just Etsy picking up the word dog bandana. If we click on it, it's going to probably show us similar items. So this is that store and then other similar items. So that's good. So no one else is using it there at least. And let's keep looking down. This is interesting. So this one is customizable bandana, and it's actually a website, Pamper Up USA. Let's click on that one. And that one has the same image. Let's go back to the actual store. So this is the store. Let's look through their photos just to see if we see any other ones. Alrighty, and let's go back to the store. Look at that, it has the same pictures. So my only thing would be either one, this is the same owner and they just happen to have a website and an Etsy store, or this is someone else that maybe stole their photos. It just really depends. You as the owner will know, obviously, right, when you're doing the research, if this is yours or it belongs to someone else. At that given moment, if you find someone else using your photos, then if it's an Etsy store, you will open a case against them. Amazon, you will do the same. You will open a case against them. If it's like a website, you will send a letter to them notifying them that they need to put it down. It just depends on the platform that they're using. But this is the quickest way. You could just upload any photo. You could do a quick search and kind of see if other stores are using your photos or any other websites. There's a couple websites here. This is the same one we just saw. This one is properstyles.store, and it seems like they have the same style. There's a Shopify store. Now, when you have like Etsy, you could have Etsy, Shopify, your own website, and sell the same products all across. So that could be the reason why you see so many of these in different stores, but then it becomes like a little bit weird. They have the same meta description, the same size of photos. So it could be the same person or it could be multiple people copying her. It just really depends. But I just wanted to show you this quick hack. Let me know in the comment section if you found this helpful, and thank you guys for watching.